Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we discuss about Sagittarius horoscope 2018. First of all, we discuss about the financial matters of the Sagittarius in this year's. We mentions the positive month in this year's in which you may have got money and a lot of financial support. January it is very positive for this purpose, and April is very bad time for your money matters. In this month you may have face money financial problems. For property matters, January, February are very negative month indicated in your horoscope. Please be careful in this matter. March is very positive. March is very positive for your money matters and also property matters. For your children, January and May is very positive month for your children matter. If you have not any child, there are many chances in this year, in this month you may have got a new baby. Love matter is very positive in this year. January and May is very positive month for this purpose. Your education matter is very good in this year. January and May is very positive month for education matters. Health issues, January is very bad for your health, and April is very positive for your health. If you may suffer from ill, and you may recover from April 2018. Litigation matter, the whole year is very positive for litigation matter. If you have face litigation matters, then you will succeed and you have a gain from litigation matters. Marriage purpose, in this year, 2 month is very positive in your horoscope. That is March and May. In this month you may got married and start a new relationship. Business oblique partnership, for doing a new business or a partnership, the March and May is very positive month indicated in your horoscope. Accidents, for this year's accident will take happen in your horoscope, so please be careful. April and December is very negative month indicated in your horoscope. Please, if you drive, and be careful about it. Foreign travel oblique immigration, for this purpose the whole year is very negative. Please do not apply for immigration, and do not deal with foreigner. It may lead a very problems. Career, job, promotion, that in this year, that is very positive year for your career, job, business. June, August, September is very positive for your job, career, upgradation, promotion, and doing well.